Hello dear students. Yesterday we discussed about the Paralympic and a Special Olympic, and today we are going to discuss about the Olympic symbol, torch, motto and oath. First of all, we'll discuss about the Olympic flag. As you can see, in Olympic flag will find 5 circles which are interlinked with each other and with different colors. Different colors and different rings show different continents. As blue ring shows Europe, black ring shows Africa, red America, yellow Asia, and green Australia. The Olympic flag was first designed according to Coubertin's suggestion in 1913, but this was firstly flown to Olympic Stadium in 1920 at Antwerp Olympic Games. So that is the flag, and its background is white, you can see. So it is used in every Olympic Games. You know about the Olympic motto? Olympic motto is Citus, Altius and Fortius, which means faster, higher and stronger. This motto was pronounced by Baron Pierre de Coubertin at Paris Olympic in 1900. Prizes in Olympic. In ancient times, the Olympic heroes were awarded with olive crown, but in modern Olympics, they are rewarded with medals and certificates. First position receives gold medal, second position gets silver medal, and third position gets bronze medal. Up to first 6 positions, they also get certificates. Any rules and regulations regarding games are set by only International Olympic Committee, that is IOC. The headquarter or head office of IOC is at Lausanne, Switzerland. Before starting the Olympic, there should be an oath taken by every participant, those who are going to participate in the events of Olympic Games. So the Olympic oath is taken by athletes of the host country. He holds the corner of the flag on behalf of all competitors. The oath is as, in the name of all the competitors, I promise that we shall take part in these Olympic Games, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, committing ourselves to a sport without doping and without drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of a sport and the honor of our teams. So that was the oath taken by the participant. For a successful conduction of games and without any discrimination, it is very necessary that all the athletes should participate without taking any prohibited substances. For this work, there is an agency appointed by International Olympic Committee IOC. This agency is known as World Anti-Doping Agency, or short we can call it as WADA. All unnatural methods of enhancing performance are banned in Olympic. Now today IOC is strictly following its regular check towards drugs and sports. It has also set up many laboratories to test athletes for drugs. The testing laboratories are named as World Anti-Doping Agency that we have already discussed. It conducts regular check over participants and equipments. IOC also provide technical help to set up various stadiums and provide latest knowledge related to training of athletes. So these all are the points which we have discussed today. Hope you all have understood it well and try to recall it one more time. Today's assignment, you have to write the Olympic oath and motto and keep it safe. Write it on any paper or any copy if you have. So you can write it there and keep all the assignments, whatever I am giving nowadays, you can keep it safe. I can ask you later. Till then, remain safe, eat healthy food and exercise every day. Thank you.